Hey guys, so in this short video, I just wanted to talk about some aspect of migrations in Entity Framework, which is the .NET C# framework. So migrations are simply just a way to manage changes to your database schema. You can think of it as a form of version control for DB schema changes. In this short video, I'll just be focusing on how the update command works, especially when updating to a specific migration. So with if you're just trying to apply the latest migration that you've created to your database, you can just use the update database command like so, and without specifying anything, it would apply your latest migration to your database, and your database is going to reflect whatever changes that migration encapsulates. If you're then trying to specifically revert to a particular migration, so you're trying to go back to a previous state, uh, then you use the update database command and uh, and specify the name of the migration you're trying to revert to. So in this case, for example, let's say I was trying to revert to the initial, migration I had, which was the first migration I had. I'll just do this like so. So I mentioned update database command, and then I specify the name of the migration here. And the way this works is it's going to apply everything from the beginning, um, all the prior, all the prior migrations or schema changes in prior migrations up until the migration that you're targeting, right? So for example, if I use some diagram here. So for example, let's say you are applying the second migration. So I'm just going to delete this arrow. So let's say you are applying this migration. Let's say you had three migration one, two, and three. And you had all of this already applied to your database, right? And let's say you wanted to revert back to this. So what's going to happen is it's going to apply migration one, migration two, and undo migration three. So assuming you already had all three migrations that already applied to your database, and now you're trying to revert to migration two, so it's going to apply migration one, migration two, and then undo the changes that was reflected in migration three. Um, and the way it does that is, so it's basically going to run the up method. So every migration file has what's called an up method and a down method. So it's going to run the up method in migration one's file, run the up method of this guy, and run the down method of this guy to undo what it did. Um, so yeah, it can be confusing initially when you start trying to use this command, um, the update database command with targeting or trying to revert to specific migration using this whole command, update database and then specifying the command name, sorry, the migration name. It can be a bit confusing at first, but if you just, think about it for a little while and you get what it's doing. So just make this video to make things clear for anyone out there who might find it confusing at first. And yeah, I hope this helps. Thank you.